Alright, a little cold start for the 1993 Chevrolet S10 Blazer, or as other words, the GMC Jimmy. Okay, the wipers have a mind of their own. Fired right up. Wow. Right into gear. It's got dual exhaust on it. If I'm not mistaken, they're cherry bombs. It's running on all 6 now. It was misfiring before. Alright, time to shut her down. At least the battery didn't die this time. It stayed charged. Overcharging. So now time to go ahead and clean this whole thing up. It is just downright really dirty in here, I'm just gonna say. No, I don't want the car noise. Dinger. It's not too bad. I'm not going to shampoo the carpet. I'm just going to go over it and clean it. Vacuum it, clean out the cat litter and whatever else that's down in there. Put the carpet back like it's supposed to. There's some stuff in the back from our chickens and stuff that we have. And some other house stuff to clean out. So it's been sitting for a couple years. If you hadn't watched the first video or got it back to going, you can go check it out. But go ahead and open up all the doors, get it to air out because it stinks in there. Oh yeah. Is that moss growing in the carpet? Nice. Oof. Well, it's worse back here. And the smell's worse. So I want to get to cleaning and maybe show you during and after the process, getting this thing cleaned up, at least way more decent than what it is now, bringing this thing back to life so we can put it back on the road, start driving it again. Alright, so here's the aftermath of cleaning up the inside. It's not perfect, I'm still not done, so I don't want to hear it in the comments, but here it is. Door panels are cleaned, dash is wiped down, column and cluster and all that stuff. Seats are clean. Floor looks better. It's still stained. As I said, I wasn't cleaning the stains today or right now. Still having some running issues. The starter's going out and the fuel pump, I believe, is having issues. Of course, it's got 2-year-old fuel in it and it's got about a half a tank or a little over half. So it's got to be ran out at running. The hatch is cleaned. Of course it won't open. Yeah, like I said, not cleaning the stains right now. For the most part, it was just trying to get the smell out and all the dirt and all the mess from bird food and chicken coop stuff and all that other. The smell's getting better. Throw some air fresheners or some coffee in it overnight, it'll be good as new. And once I shampoo it and clean the carpet and all that stuff, it'll be a lot better than what it is now. Put the carpet back. I still got to fix some of those wiring. None of the interior lights work. I don't know why. AC doesn't work either. The ashtray, I got to put that back. The radio works, but only the rear speakers and the doors work. The ones in the dash do not work. So, something else to figure out. There's plenty of these in the junkyard, as everybody knows. It's fine parts. So it's not that hard. Don't sound like it's misfiring anymore like it was. Maybe it is. Sort of. Could be the spider injectors are very common on these because this is the famous orange Vortec 4.3 that I don't like. gonna need a starter for sure, and a bat, the intake hose right here, so the throttle body needs to be replaced, some vacuum hoses, serpentine belt, maybe an under pulley, air filter, a battery, tires, and the biggest thing is the steering gearbox is shot because it moves like this down the road before you actually get it to turn. Definitely got some brake issues. When you put it in reverse, the whole thing lunges. Watch this. It moves backwards, and I'm holding my foot as hard as I can on the brake pedal. It does it forward too. It's like it's in four-wheel drive, but it's not. It's not lit up because I tried it. The four-wheel drive locks in, but when you got it in four-wheel drive, it's even worse. Yeah, it definitely needs a tune-up. Now it's misfiring. And it died. Yeah, it's got some serious fuel pump, injector, spider injector issues. Come on, baby. Yep. At least I got it to where it needs to be parked for now, but yeah, it's not gonna start now without having some added fuel to it. So let's try it again. Come on. Nope. So looks like I'm gonna have to take a look and see what the fuel pressure readings are, and need to go buy a fuel filter for it. Go ahead and change that out. I don't know how to get the gas out unless we just go ahead and siphon it out from here. Oh my Lanza. Yeah, it don't smell good. I know when I checked with a flathead screwdriver for the fuel pressure Schrader valve on the screwdriver, it did not smell great at all. It didn't look too good when it shot out of it either. So yeah, so fuel filter change, somehow run this gas out of it. I don't know how, but with it not wanting to rev up, it's either got a clogged filter or the injectors, or it's just a weak pump. Very common on these. So it wouldn't surprise me if one of the three, if not all three of them at the same time, is shot. And along with the starter issue too, so that's not helping. Schrader valve way back here. Right here where this cap is. Remove the cap, push it down with a flathead screwdriver. It shot out to about where the vacuum hose is to the brake booster. So it's got some pressure, but I don't think it's enough in order for it to run. By me trying to rev it up and it's stalling out like that tells me that it doesn't have enough fuel pressure to run. We drove it down the road the other day and it did fine, but now it's starting to give issues. That's why I suspect clogged up fuel filter. But it is what it is. We'll get her going. Hopefully there'll be more content on this thing. If you liked anything else, let me know in the comments at the bottom. And like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. More content like this of this Blazer hopefully coming your way soon. I'll try my best to get whatever I can filmed and uploaded for you guys to watch, because I know a lot of you love these S10s just like I do. I know it's a Jimmy, but still. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.